From smartphones to steel, from cars to coffee, every item that moves across borders tells a story of global power, innovation, and economic strength. But which countries truly rule the world when it comes to exports? Let's take a look at the global giants shaping international trade today. It all starts with China, the world's undisputed export king. For over a decade, China has led global exports, shipping everything from electronics and machinery to textiles and vehicles. Its massive manufacturing capacity, low production costs, and advanced infrastructure have made it the world's factory. Every phone, appliance, and gadget you use likely has a part that traces back to China. Next up is the United States, a powerhouse not just in technology but in diversity. The US exports high-value products like aircraft, medical equipment, and digital technology. Think Boeing jets, Apple iPhones, and Microsoft software, all shaping industries around the world. America's influence in both goods and services keeps it at the heart of global commerce. Germany stands as Europe's industrial engine. Precision engineering, luxury cars, and high-tech machinery, that's Germany's export signature. Brands like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and Siemens aren't just products, they represent quality and trust that the entire world depends on. Germany's focus on innovation and sustainability has helped it remain one of the top exporters for decades. Then comes Japan, known for turning innovation into art. From Toyota and Sony to robotics and microchips, Japan's exports have long defined reliability and technology. Despite limited natural resources, Japan transformed itself into one of the strongest export-driven economies in the world. South Korea follows closely, home to global giants like Samsung, Hyundai, and LG. In just a few decades, it evolved from a developing country into a global tech hub. Today, its semiconductors, electronics, and vehicles reach nearly every corner of the planet. The Netherlands might be small in size, but it's huge in trade. Acting as Europe's gateway, its ports, especially Rotterdam, handle millions of goods moving across the continent. From agricultural products to machinery, the Dutch are proof that smart logistics can rival size. Italy brings design, fashion, and style to the export table. Luxury cars, high-end clothing, and fine foods. Italian exports aren't just goods, they're culture on display. And let's not forget France, with its world-famous wines, perfumes, and aerospace exports. From Airbus to Louis Vuitton, France exports not just products, but prestige. Emerging strong in recent years is India, climbing the global export ranks with its booming tech industry, pharmaceuticals, and refined petroleum products. As manufacturing and innovation expand, India is becoming a major player in the export arena. Canada, Mexico, and Singapore also shine as key exporters, thanks to trade agreements, advanced industries, and strategic locations. In the end, global trade is more than just numbers, it's a network of ambition, innovation, and connection. From Asia's factories to Europe's engineering hubs and America's tech giants, the world's biggest exporters are not just selling goods, they are shaping the way we live, work, and connect every single day. The world's biggest exporting nations aren't just moving products, they are moving progress. Every shipment of cars, electronics, or machinery represents decades of innovation, hard work, and global cooperation. From China's manufacturing might to Germany's precision, from America's tech leadership to Japan and South Korea's engineering brilliance, these countries form the backbone of our modern economy. Trade isn't just about profit, it's about connection. Every port, every factory, every made-in label tells a story of how deeply linked our world has become. As technology advances and new nations rise, the landscape of global exports will continue to evolve, but one thing will remain constant: the nations that innovate, adapt, and collaborate will always lead the way.